Ever wondered how to achieve a natural makeup look? In this video, we're going to unlock the charm of simplicity, showing you how to create a fresh, everyday look that's as easy as pie. Perfect for beginners, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, from prepping your skin to putting on the final touches. We'll be covering everything from foundation and concealer to eyes, cheeks, and lips. So whether you're new to makeup or looking to refine your routine, stay tuned to learn the secrets of a natural makeup look. The first step to a perfect natural makeup look is preparing your skin. Just as a painter preps their canvas, you too need to prepare your face before applying makeup. This begins with a clean, fresh face. A gentle cleanser is your best friend, washing away impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Next, it's time to hydrate. A good moisturizer is crucial to keep your skin plump, smooth, and radiant. It's like a refreshing drink of water for your skin. And who doesn't love that? Now, let's talk about primers. This step is often overlooked, but it's just as important as the others. A primer not only creates a smooth canvas for your makeup, but it also ensures your makeup stays put throughout the day. It's like the invisible shield that keeps your makeup from fading or smudging. With your face prepped, you're now ready for the next step. Now that your face is prepped, it's time to even out your skin tone. Choosing the right foundation is the cornerstone of a natural look. It's like painting a canvas. You want the color to match perfectly. Start by testing a few shades on your jawline. The perfect foundation will seamlessly blend into your skin. Next, apply the foundation starting from the center of your face and blend outward. Remember, less is more. Use a makeup sponge or brush to ensure even application. The goal is to create a smooth, flawless canvas without looking cakey or heavy. Now let's talk about concealer. This magic tool is your secret weapon against blemishes and under-eye circles. Apply it only where you need it, like on blemishes and dark circles, and blend it out using a small brush or your fingertips. Remember, the key to a natural look is blending well. Keep blending until there are no visible lines or patches. The end result should be a smooth, even complexion that looks effortlessly flawless. Moving on to the eyes, cheeks, and lips, the finishing touches to your natural makeup look. Let's start with the eyes. Opt for neutral eyeshadow tones like soft browns or peaches. These shades subtly enhance your eyes without appearing too dramatic. After applying the eyeshadow, swipe on some mascara. This will give your lashes a fuller look, really making your eyes pop. Next, let's bring some warmth to your face with a hint of blush. Apply it lightly on the apples of your cheeks. This will give you a fresh and youthful glow. Finally, we'll finish off with the lips. Choose a lip color that's close to your natural lip tone. This will enhance your lips without drawing too much attention to them. Remember, the key to a natural makeup look is subtlety. It's about enhancing your features, not covering them up. And there you have it, a natural makeup look that you can wear every day. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by preparing the face, ensuring it's clean and primed for makeup. Next, we applied foundation and concealer, creating an even canvas. Finally, we added the finishing touches to the eyes, cheeks, and lips, bringing the whole look together. Each step is vital in creating that everyday natural look. Remember, practice makes perfect. With these simple steps, achieving a natural makeup look is easy even for beginners. Until next time, keep glowing.